released, and before we had the NFP released, we had this setup on gold shared in the community, and here will be a breakdown on why I was looking at this trade and why I took this certain trade. So when we look at the weekly chart, here we have gold taking out buy side liquidity above this high and potentially going to drop to this high, this lows here. So we'll go down to the daily chart where we see those highs were taken out yesterday on the daily chart, as well as was a previous weekly high. It was also a previous day's high. So we see the rejection, and when we see that rejection, what does it create on this candle? It engulfs this bullish candle, which could be a potential order block. But that doesn't mean that we will just be selling because we are anticipating bearishness till this fair value gap. We will drop down to the 4 hour to get more context on why we are taking this trade. We go down to the 4 hour chart. We had a shift in market structure and the 4 hour fair value gap. As you can see here, we have our entries here, entering the fair value gap, stop loss here, and the TP at the fair value gap. If you wanted to extrapolate it and go a little bit further, since we have this on the 4 hour, we could use this as our higher time frame PT area as well. And drop down to the 15 minute. Here now, we can look for our shift in market structure on the 15-minute chart, which is here, and a fair value gap, which is here, and this other one that price comes and takes out these previous highs and taps into here. So I'll put my entry here, TP here, and my stop loss would have been here if I had to take this scenario.